In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Valorant error code VAN79. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that will work for everyone, so you will need to go through each of these steps to find the solution that works for you. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is head over to our start menu, and we're going to search for services, and then just come over to the services window. Inside over here, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find a service called VGC. Now, you can just click on an item inside of here and then hit V on your keyboard, and this is going to bring up the V section. And once you've found this service VGC, we're just going to double click on it, and you need to make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and we can press apply and OK to save these changes, and then you can double click on it once more and make sure the service status is set to started, and we can do that just by tapping this start button. We can then press OK to head out of this window, and we can close out of here, and the next thing you need to do is head over to your start menu, and we're going to search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Inside of this window, we just need to type in the following: netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. And lastly, type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. You can then close out of this window, and we're going to head over to our start menu and search for settings, and then come over to the settings tab. From here, scroll all the way down on this left hand side to Windows Update, and first just press this check for updates button to ensure we are running the latest version of Windows. And once you've installed any pending updates inside of here, we then need to head over to network and internet from the left and scroll all the way down to advanced network settings and come down once more to network reset, and then you're just going to go ahead and press reset now, and this will require you to restart your computer. So once your computer's restarted and your network's been reset, then all we simply need to do is right click on the Valorant app, come over to properties and head over to the compatibility tab. Inside of here, just make sure disable full screen optimizations and also run this program as administrator are both checked, and then press apply and OK to save these changes. We can now try launching the Valorant app, and that should have fixed any error codes you were experiencing. Now, if this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.